watch daily videos and ace your GRE preparation. Don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel.
Hi guys, this is Aishwarya once again and welcome to the channel. So now let's improve our vocabulary and learn some new and interesting words again. And all you have to do is sit down with a pen and paper and preferably a notebook if you can maintain, so that you have your own vocabulary book and towards the end of it, and you can refer back again and again instead of memorizing a lot of PDFs and having a PDF from somewhere else. So if you have been watching all of these videos, so note down all the important words and their meanings and create your own vocabulary book. Alright, also there is a subscribe, you have to subscribe to the channel. There's a bell icon. If you click on that, then you will get these daily notifications when we release the videos. Okay, and do like, share and subscribe. Share it with your friends who are also preparing for your GRE. And let's begin today's session. Alright, so the first word that we are going to learn today is conviction. Okay, so what do you mean by conviction? It is a state of mind in which one is free from any doubt. Okay, so you don't have any doubt. You are very decisive. Okay, so you have the ability to make a decision because your mind is free and it does not have any kind of doubt, that you are not unsure about something. Okay, you are not unsure. Okay, you're sure about something. Or the synonyms of the word could be a decisiveness or a determination, certitude or satisfaction. Okay, so conviction, to convict, is a state of mind wherein one is free of any doubt. So you are satisfied, you are determined. And another interesting word is certitude. Okay, now the antonyms of the word when you are unsure. Okay, so irresolution, disbelief and incredulity. Okay, so credulous is belief, incredulity is disbelief. Okay, so the antonyms of the word conviction is irresolution, disbelief and credulity. Okay, moving ahead with the next word. So before moving ahead, I hope you guys are fully concentrating and listing down all the bucketing of words. Okay, so the next word is copious. Okay, so copious means again abundant in supply or quantity. There is a huge amount of that particular thing. Okay, for example, if I have to talk to you about synonyms of the word copious, it means profuse, bountiful, substantial or considerable. You have good amount of it. It's available in large quantity. Okay, so next time when you have to use a word, use a sentence or frame a sentence wherein you have to use meaning of the word which is available in large quantity, so try using the word copious. Okay, copious, bountiful, profuse, considerable and substantial. Okay, now something is available in a large quantity, so something which is not available in a which is available in a very less quantity, inadequate or scarce. Okay, or scanty. Okay, so inadequate, scarce, scanty is the antonyms or the opposite of the word copious. Copious, available in large quantity. Okay, moving ahead with the next word is corroborate. Okay, so corroborate means to support or to bolster. Okay, so instead of using the word support, you can use the word corroborate or bolster, confirm or give support to someone. So the synonyms of the word corroborate will be endorse, ratify or bolster, and the antonyms, you're not giving support, so disprove, refute, contradict, gainsay or deny. Okay, deny, you don't want to, you disapprove of something, so another word is gainsay, GAINSAY, or deny. Okay, so these are going to be the antonyms of the word corroborate. Moving ahead with the next word you have is counterfeit. Okay, what do you mean by counterfeit? Counterfeit is imitating something fraudulently. Okay, that leads to counterfeit. An act of counterfeit is leading to fraud. Okay, which is not truthful. So synonyms of the word is forge or sham or spurious, which is false. Spurious means false, or bogus. Okay, so forge, sham, spurious or bogus. Next is antonyms of the word counterfeit, that you are doing something fraudulently or imitating something, or you are being spurious, you are deceiving somebody. So the antonyms of the word or the opposite is going to be authentic, or you are very genuine, or bona fide. In your school and college you get a bona fide certificate, so they authenticate that you have been a student and you have these scores, and that is how you get a bona fide certificate. So authenticating, genuine are the antonyms of the word counterfeit. Okay, so in today's lecture, reiterating, we have learned 4 new words and a lot of other synonyms and antonyms of the words, which are conviction, which means a state of mind when you don't have any doubt. Next was copious, which means abundant in supply and quantity. Corroborate is to support, to bolster. And the last one is counterfeit, which is imitating something fraudulently. Okay, so these were the 4 words. Try to use these words in sentence and comment below. Also, if you have any doubts or difficulties or which you are facing and you want us to do videos on that particular topic, we'll be happy to help. Just comment down below and share this video. Click on the like button also if you enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.